Hello everybody, it's me again. Got a bit of a cold, but I'm still going to school. So this is my UMP-45, which I finished about a week ago after this video would have been put on, probably. And so it's pretty nice. And so I've, for the start, I got the magazine is a BB gun magazine off that, and then so I've got this grip which isn't nice. So I've got this. So this is the handle, which is fairly nice. Oops. So I've got, let's come out. I've got two triggers, which have got a spacer in the middle. So that's the trigger, and I've got a stock which is detachable. Nope, I've done that wrong. Right, there you go. That's the detachable stock, which comes off, but it's practically empty inside, as most of my guns are. These are like the sights, so if I aim down the sights, or if I look down the sights, they'd be like that. Like that. They look better when you're actually there. So I've got the charging handle at the front, which is actually Lego, as you can see, because I couldn't necessarily make it out of Knex, because that would be a bit hard. So I've got the front sights, and which are there. I've got the barrel, and as usual my magazines are a bit strange, because this one's got a pin, and a pin. And then so I made it to suit the magazine, because that's the magazine, and that goes in like that. So it sort of stops on this one, and it's resting against that one. And that's that. And the sights are removable as well. Like that. They come off. So you have naked UMP, almost. And then my next video, I'm probably going to have like a scope on here or something, and that will look really nice. So if I just put it back in. Right now, so that's my UMP-45, and probably one of my favourite guns that I've made so far. And if you look up there, I have the guns that I'm going to be making next. So UMPs, which I've done, M16s. I doubt anyone will know what they are. And then I got FS 2000 L96 and the Enfield or the SAE or Buffett. And Searchlight G23, M39 EBR, M416 CQB, and that's one, R870, MG36 and a K1A, which is old, and then you got the M16. Right, anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye, and I'll catch you in the next video.